on. Here we are, October Rallycross 2020, Cedar Falls Motorsports Park.
Greg Little, run number one.
Number one, I'm just about ready. Give me 15 seconds. Oh. Oh, I got time.
I heard him swearing again. I can send them.
Down and around. We may want to put more air in the tires.
I think so.
We're running 30.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it may smooth out a bit.
Well, you want to check them now, and then we'll decide.
Air gauge is at the truck.
Hit pitch hard. Let's check them.
Air gauge is at the truck.
I don't think there's anything behind me. I'm actually going to kick off the fans for a moment. But that's good. I'd rather it run cold.
Yeah.
You know? Tired of overheating. Viewers are getting the grand tour of the paddock area. Here's our luxurious ride.